Hello, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a Sea Ray 2018 250 SLX. This boat is in beautiful shape. Has the American flag there, as they all should. Does have a bow and cockpit cover in black. Just took it off. It's on the transom. This swim deck does have sea deck on there. Sea deck throughout the boat. And I'll do a quick video of the outside of the boat at the end. And you'll see them in the photos. It's a beautiful boat. You have your meridian system here. Boat only has 121.3 hours. Helm seat, flip up bolster. Here it is with it down. You have a lockable glove box there. Head compartment. This boat has a 300 horsepower 6.2 motor. Storage all over the place on this boat. Does have the power tower, which means you press a button and this top will come down approximately 6 to 8 inches from the top of the windshield. So if you need to go under a bridge, or if it starts to rain even, just lower it down. There we are up at the bow. Storage underneath there. You have the fold down armrests. Under this one, we lift this up. Storage there. And you lift that up and there's storage under there as well. Like I said, lots of storage on this boat. We do have an anchor locker up here at the bow. Back in the boat here, there's a table mount there. I'm going to open up the ski locker. There's a ski locker. There's your switch for your tower. The aft facing seat. Little cooler area. I'm going to jump down here. Picture here, video of the hull. That's just beautiful. Really shines up nice. Bravo 3 telescoping ladder. Horizon colors, really nice color. Bottom's in great shape. Has the docking lights. And there it is. It's a 2018 Sea Ray 250 SLX. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and you can reach me regarding this or any other boat at MarineMax at 609-494-2102. Thank you.